Oh my goodness. He worked. Did you give me a new toy?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Yeah.
You got your buddy back.
Yeah. I'm not broken. I don't know. You broken.
No, Mason, he's a brand new one.
Thanks.
Do you say thanks, Grandpa?
Thanks,
Look at the camera.
Yeah. I'm getting tight. How about, yeah. Hey. How about that sleeping?
Mason, are you so happy?
Yeah.
You are?
Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome. Grandpa Fever says you're welcome.
I'm gonna dig curse.
Oh. You missed him? Aww.
Yeah. Ooh, how about that? Is it very hot in there? No. No, it's not very hot. I like your nose. How about your tail? Yeah.
You're gonna play with him in your room?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you play with him. The end.